Bob with Express Restoration of Oklahoma City. We got out a desiccant today for a small job. The Stoll 700 CFM. We got it running into an HD 200 to catch the moist air. We got a 50 kW generator running 160 amps. We got air scrubbers. We ran a spider box so we could run the Stolls. Desiccant. We got more air movers. Up here in the front, more air scrubbers, LGRs. This is Bob with Express Restoration of Oklahoma City. Give me a call at area code 405-922-8891. If you need anybody to do water mitigation, or if you need to rent equipment, we have large desiccants, small desiccants, LGRs, Phoenix, Viking, and dry ease equipment. Thank you.